Welcome to my channel, YouTube fam. So today we're going to talk about cleaning the bathrooms. This is one of the most dreaded chores to me. It could be gross, it could be nasty, but it has to be done. So disinfectant is going to be your best friend in these areas. I really layer it in the bathroom. I even use a toothbrush, as you can see, to go around the sink with the disinfectant. There's a lot of things that get stuck in the crevices, and having either a Q-tip or an old toothbrush, or even going to the Dollar Tree to purchase a toothbrush just for cleaning, that works. It shines it up rather nicely. Make sure you get the watery goo from the bottom of your faucet. Then, of course, good old-fashioned disinfectant spray all around. This is my master bedroom coming out of my master bath. Then I'm going to put on my vinyl gloves. And here is some more disinfecting with the Clorox disinfecting wipes, Great Value brand. Obviously, the toilet is probably one of the grossest things that we have to clean, but it still needs to be cleaned. The surfaces in the bathroom, because we all know that the toilet can spray that bacteria. So try to use those disinfectant wipes all over the bathroom. The bleach tablets for the toilets that you can put in the back of the tanks, I think they work wonders. You can even purchase these from the dollar aisle in the Dollar General now, and the Dollar Tree. Baking soda for your trash cans to start trying to cut down on some smells that may get held down in there. Baking soda is wonderful for that. And what baking soda is great for a lot of uses. You can even use it to help clean your toilets on the inside. You can use it to help soak up and deodorize your sink areas, your toilet areas. I wouldn't put the baking soda in the back of the tank. I'd put it down in the actual toilet bowl and let it sit for a little while and let it gather some of those smells. And here again, I'm using disinfectant cleaner in my jet tub. I'm filling it up with some really hot water, and I'm going to let the disinfectant rise above those nozzles. And then, as you see here, I am just depicting the bubbles and the foam from the disinfectant. I'm going to let it do its job. I'm going to let it sit there for a couple of hours and really clean that tub. This is just the beginning of the cleaning motivation that I have for everyone. Please continue to stay tuned on my channel so that you don't miss out.